so that we can transform, and in the process we can do that. Majority of us, I mean, barring few youngsters here, majority of us are parents. As a parents, let us also have a greater role in this society. As parents, everybody wants a good society. But what is a good society? When a good society can be there, when the children whom I am sending out to become society, if they are good, the society is going to be good. మనకు మంచి సమాజం కావాలంటే మన పిల్లలు బయటికి వెళ్తే వాళ్ళే సమాజం అవుతారు. మన గడప దాటినప్పుడు పిల్లలు సమాజం అవుతారు. కాబట్టి మంచి సమాజం కావాలంటే నా ఇంటి నుంచి మంచి పిల్లలను నేను సమాజానికి ఇస్తానని ప్రతి ఒక్క పేరెంట్ అనుకుంటే చూడండి, అగైన్ దిస్ సొసైటీ విల్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్. సింపుల్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఎ డిఫికల్ట్. అందుకనే మొన్న ఒక వైజాగ్లో ఒక చిన్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇచ్చాను. Because management association, so I also should talk about some corporates here. So let me talk about Dell company. Dell company మీరు చూస్తుంటారు, it's a which makes PCs and now big frames and main frames and all. This is the company. So initially Dell was making all the desktop computers and all other peripherals, computer peripherals. And one day there is a company called ASUS, ASUS, ఇప్పుడు బోర్డులు కనిపిస్తుంటాయి మీకు మార్కెట్లో వెళ్తే. సో దిస్ కంపెనీ అప్రోచెస్ డెల్ చేసి, యూ కైండ్లీ గివ్ అస్ ఆర్ అవుట్సోర్స్ దిస్ మేకింగ్ ఆఫ్ మదర్ బోర్డ్స్. కంప్యూటర్లో దెర్ ఇస్ అ పార్ట్ కాల్డ్ మదర్ బోర్డ్ విచ్ ఇస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో వాట్ దిస్ అసూస్ కంపెనీ సేస్ ఇస్ దాట్ యూ గివ్ అస్ ఆర్ అవుట్సోర్స్ దిస్ టు అస్, వీల్ గివ్ యూ ది మదర్ బోర్డ్ ఎట్ 75% of the cost. That means you are going to get 25% profit. So then Dell readily agrees, because generally the model in which a corporate company operates is to maximize the profit. So when somebody comes to your doorstep and says that I am going to give you 25% profit making proposition, why don't you accept it? Dell said, okay, go ahead. Then what Dell did is, it closed all its factories which are making these motherboards. So many people became unemployed, and Dell lost the excellence of making motherboards. Then after 2 years, again the company comes and says, now why don't you outsource this making of your entire PC? We'll assemble everything and we'll bring it to you, and again we'll give you 25%. That means again your profit will increase by 25%. Again a very good proposition. Again Dell company agrees. So then these people start making the PC. Then one day again they come and say, whatever is the other requirement, like main is your CPU and other peripherals, that also we make it. Again give us a 25% profit. Again they agreed. So a situation has come where Dell company, which is supposed to be a giant in making of these PCs, it has reduced to a state of outsourcing company. And after 2 years, the ASUS company has started its own manufacturing. So then they suddenly realized that they lost all their expertise in making these computers. Now a stage has come where anybody can bring their PC or laptop to Dell and get their stamping on that. If you want, you can make your PC at your home, take it to Dell, that fellow will put his mark on it. So that is the stage at which a very good company has reduced to a company which just stamps and gets money for stamping. Why I am telling this example is, the same thing let us apply to our home also. Earlier, when we were young, if a festival comes, we all used to come together. My sisters gani, brothers gani, మనం అందరం కలిసి we used to prepare all these items for the festival. ఇవి ఉన్నాయి, మనం బాదుషాలు కానివ్వండి, ఇవి కానివ్వండి, ఇవన్నీ కూడా మనమే తయారు చేసేవాళ్ళం. Somebody is doing some work and somebody else is doing, and we used to prepare and we used to eat. That used to taste very very nice to us. Now slowly what is happening is, again we have started outsourcing this process also. Now how many of us make these sweets at home? We outsource it to Swagruha. సో స్వగృహ వాళ్ళు తెచ్చి మనకి ఇచ్చేస్తారు. వీఆర్ ఆల్ వెరీ వెరీ హ్యాపీ. ఇన్ ది ప్రాసెస్ వీఆర్ మిస్సింగ్ దిస్ బాండింగ్ ఇన్ ది ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్. వీఆర్ మిస్సింగ్ దిస్ బాండింగ్ ఇన్ ది ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్. సో ది ఫెస్టివల్ కమ్స్. Now there is not much festivity when a festival comes. We go get some Swagruha sweets, we eat, and that is what. So that's why the strongest factor of the country is the family system. India, the basic, the bearing or the foundation of India is on the family system. So recently we celebrated our 50th marriage wedding anniversary of our parents. So I have few friends in the US. So they called me and they said, why you are going? I said, it is the 50th wedding anniversary of my parents. They were surprised. How come two persons live together 50 years? 50 సంవత్సరాలు ఇద్దరు కలిసి ఎలా ఉంటారంటే there is a big doubt to all these people. So I said, so that's why we are called Indians, and that is why we are people. This is the strongest thing what as a country we have. The family system is the strongest thing. So as parents, it is our responsibility to see this family system sustains or it continues. Let us not become Dell and Asus model. So let us not become a Dell and Asus model. So that should not happen. So if you want to make India better, the family has to be better. So as parents, it is our responsibility to see that our families are better and also the bondings are much better. So that is the requirement. So the transformation as far as the parents or the family is concerned, let us make a resolution that as members or as people who have attended this particular this thing, we will see that our family systems are strengthened. That is what is another resolution we can make. So again, as entrepreneurs or as industrialists, again from profit motive, you have to go to the social and economic justice model you need to prepare. Now, a concept of CSR has been introduced, the corporate social responsibility. Why this has been introduced? Again, to bring a transformation in the thinking process of the corporates, so that it is not just the profit. And whatever profit you are getting because of the society. So you have the responsibility to pay back to the society. So that's why this corporate social responsibility has been introduced. So my humble submission to all the corporates here is that let us not do it because the government had said I have to do 2% and do it. No. Let us make it a resolution. Maybe HMA can make a resolution that we'll go beyond 2%. Why only 2%? We will go beyond 2%. Let us make the society much better. Because I am taking so much from the society, let me pay back to the society. So again, transformation in the thinking process of the corporates. So unless we bring in the transformation or the change in the thinking process of each and every person in the country, we as a group performing better, it becomes very, very difficult. I always say the home is the smallest unit of the country. Home is the smallest unit of the country. Kabatti, whatever you want to do it at your home level. Let your home be the best transformation model. So all these transformed models coming together, they become a transformed society. The transformed societies, when they come together, they become the transformed nation. So that's why let us do it at our home front. I will transform my family and my home. That's all. If each of us decide that we are going to give the best transformed house or a unit of our country, then the country is going to transform. For that, I need to feel that I am a citizen of this country and I have responsibility towards this nation. And if we feel that, then definitely I think there is going to be a transformation. So the next resolution and the final resolution, what we can always do is that each and every step of mine and my home is going to become a model of transformation. That if every one of us start thinking, then I think there is going to be a transformation in the country, and we need not have to do greater things also. We need to do smaller things. All bigger problems have very, very smaller solutions, simple solutions. I always say it's like a treatment by a family doctor, not by a super specialty doctor. Family doctor never asks you to go for MRI. He always tries to do some physiotherapy or some basic things he teaches so that you feel much better. So let us take all these resolutions, whatever I have mentioned. Feel proud that we are born in this nation. And also it is my responsibility to see that whatever duty is assigned to me, and I will do sincerely. Whatever may be, you may be a student, you may be a parent, whatever I said, let us stick up to this. And let us remember about the fundamental duties. And whatever technology we are using it, let us use it for the benefit of the society. And let us make the best family unit. That should be your home. So these are the resolutions, and make this bonding much better. The bonding between the family members has to be much better. Then definitely the strong footholds of the country will become much stronger, and we can build a much transformed nation. So this is what, and the simple solution, I was reading a book, in that I found, these are the simple things what somebody suggested. The first thing he said, excel in your field. That's all. This is the first thing what you can do if you want to transform the nation. Excel in your field. If you are a chartered accountant, you excel in your field. And if you are a trainer, you excel in your field. If you are an engineer, you excel in your field. But at the same time, don't cut your relations with the society. I mean, it is not just making money. No. Whenever you are making money, it needs to follow the process. It needs to follow the procedures. It needs to follow the societal norms and the societal values. That is how you need to excel in the society. Realize it is not just government's job to make India better. That is another thing. You don't think that it is the job of the government alone to improve the country. No. You always feel that it is my job to make my country better. That is one thing you can always say. Because there was an example which I was reading. One person was going with his professor in Japan in a train. Both of them were traveling. And there was some resin cover. There is a small tear in that resin cover in the train. Immediately, that professor who was traveling in the train, he took out his kit and there was a needle and a thread. So immediately he started stitching that small tear which he has found on the resin of the train. The next man asked him, why are you doing it? Because it is the dignity of my nation. So you have come from the other country and you feel that in Japan it's the national property, there is a small this thing found, it is the responsibility as a citizen to mend it. That is what is the concept. So always you feel that it is not just the responsibility of the government to make India better. The third thing what he suggested is back the issue, not the person. If there is any issue, you try to back the issue and not the person. The person may belong to your caste, maybe your creed or your religion, irrespective of that. If the issue is good and if the issue is betterment for the betterment of the society, back that. Just because he belongs to certain caste, certain religion, don't blindly follow. That is what is the other requirement what he says. Use your social network with the best possible intention. The next thing what he suggested is use your social network with the best possible intention. Maybe you all may be having your WhatsApp or this thing. Maybe you put a status as something which goes as a message to the people. The status what I keep is, whenever you find or you see an ambulance on the road, take your vehicle to the left and give way to the ambulance. This is my status in my WhatsApp. So let us have some status in your WhatsApp so that somebody reading it will always feel, hi, I am there on WhatsApp. उससे क्या कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. There is no change that I am using WhatsApp. This is another status what you are. Somebody puts sleeping, somebody puts at work. There are so many things. So why not you put that, give some message like that. So that at least somebody reads it, it will be useful. And also in the social network, try to make people thinking about things. Because there are a lot of things that have been fed into the minds of the people by this television or by whatever you read. But now, as a person, you try to analyze it and have your own opinion, leaving aside all these things. As an individual, if this is the issue, what is your stand? Try to generate a type of opinion among your WhatsApp groups. Cut the negativity.
What is use your social network for?
For best possible intentions. Use your social network with best possible intention. Otherwise, something which is not useful, you don't forward it. Suppose something not useful and something not useful for the society, don't forward it. Otherwise, the main thing is the moment somebody gets it, immediately forwards it. I mean, what is the use of it? If you get a good message, kindly forward it. It is very good. I mean, so that people who read it will start thinking about it. And then final thing is, he said, cut the negativity. Cut the negativity. Always keep thinking positive. So the positive thinking is very, very required. So these are the simple things which all of us do, and definitely we can transform ourselves, and in the process, as a responsible citizen of the nation, you can transform the nation also. That is what is the requirement of the day. So take a decision, I change, I transform myself. In the process, I transform my family. In the process, these transformed families make transformed societies. Transformed societies together, they make a transformed nation, which is the current day requirement. So this is what is the sum and substance what I wanted to interact with you and tell with you. So it's a simple thing. Follow the rules, follow the procedure, follow the legislations. You become the role model. And definitely there are many things, many people who are going to follow you. And in the process, the nation should become good. Even Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi also, when he was addressing the civil servants yesterday was the Civil Servants Day, in which he said, you perform, you reform, and he said you transform. That is what is the requirement. You perform, you reform, and you transform. That is what is the requirement for the civil servants also. Many people are here. One student came that I want to become a civil servant. I want to become a IAS. Don't say it is IAS officer. You say you are IAS public servant. Always you say you want to become public servant. You always say you are a civil servant. That's why it is called civil services. So the people are engaging you as their servant. That is what is the thing you need to do. So this is what is the simple thing. So if you want to become a civil servant, become the civil servant. And you be the best civil servant. That's what should be the thing. If you are a small auto rickshaw driver, I was telling, you become the best. I talk about an auto rickshaw driver in Mumbai. So you go and have a ride in his auto rickshaw. It's a pleasure going in his auto rickshaw. You have Wi-Fi in his, you have tea and coffee in his auto rickshaw. You have newspapers of that day in the auto rickshaw. You have chocolates for the children in the auto. And he goes as per the meter. And what else? He keeps, because I had a ride in his auto rickshaw. There's a pleasure going with him. He is a celebrity, auto rickshaw driver, because he is excelling in his field. The first thing is excel in your field. That fellow, he never cribs that I could not become a civil servant, or I could not become a civil servant like you, or I could not become a minister or the chief. He says, I am the best auto rickshaw driver in the country. That is the pride. That is the pride. So people are seeing, and they are also changing their way. They are also doing this. So this is what is the requirement. Let us have the dignity. Whatever I do, I am the best. That type of feeling if we have, definitely you are transformed, and in the process, the nation transforms, and in the process, India looks much better. Much better. Like what Rakesh Sharma said when Indira Gandhi asked him, how are you, how India is looking from there, he says, Sare jahan se acha. So that's why our aim is to make India the best in the world. So with this, some ideas we have exchanged here, and I am open for any suggestions or any questions from you. Thank you very much. Yes. Yeah. No problem. I can do it. Yes.
Very good evening, sir. Thank you very much for the LMA for brought this one a wonderful topic on this today. One query that I am being placed before you, sir. The people are traveling on the train. A number of people are here in the middle of the train. One khaki fellow stand in between the people. I thought that one also been traveling along with the people. But he is moving here and there, back, front side, in the here and there. Towards his left side of the lady sat beside him and took the money from this one. I thought that one is taking the ticket. But later on, all the people, top, bottom, front side, and back side, every four corners, the people are taking the money, giving one another.